Intended for mechanical work centres, car centres and specialist dealers, Ino'Check is the mobile solution for digitizing your workshop. This app will help you to record on a tablet your workshop's vehicle inspections, submit quotes to customers in real time that are additional to the initial service offered, schedule a time to contact customers again regarding components that are expected to undergo wear, stay connected with your reception counter, your workshop and your customer. Ino'Check guarantees to make profitable any vehicles standing immobile in your workshop, to optimize your team's time, and to increase the professionalism of your service by sending your customers a clear and transparent check sheet. Finally, Ino'Check is a lever that can be used to build customer loyalty through their experience of a fluid and digital service, a personalized follow-up using planned reminders. In addition, Ino'Check can be interfaced with third-party DMS with the InfoPro Digital Automotive Intelligent Reminder modules and with tire wear diagnosis tools. Modern, intuitive, and totally customizable, Ino'Check results in greater satisfaction, increased loyalty, and more sales. Let's describe the digital route using the Ino'Check tablet. Your customer arrives at the workshop to replace the tires on her vehicle. At the reception counter, your operator creates a check sheet in the Ino'Check module and enters the customer, vehicle, and associated service information. This means that the recorded data will no longer have to be re-entered later. They link it to a check sheet template and assign it to a technician. Your models can be configured to conform to your usual checking methods. In the workshop, your technician connects to Ino'Check on his tablet and finds the synchronized form waiting for him. During the inspection, he assigns a wear status to each component. When the technician assigns the status of "to be changed" to the front brake pads, your operator will be able to create an additional quotation for your customer at the same time. Ino'Check offers to complete the diagnosis by adding photos taken with the tablet and any comments regarding the worn components. Any procedures that are to be scheduled are given an indicator that forecasts the total wear of the element. This data will be used to set up future reminders. To save time entering data, the Express Diagnosis function allows you to assign the same wear status to a set of components with a single click. Once the inspection tour of the vehicle is completed, your technician can see an overview of his checks before validating the diagnostic form. At the counter, your operator retrieves the synchronized form from the Ino'Check interface. They will then create an additional quote for the replacement of the front brake pads and discs. It is possible to complete the file with photos of the diagnostics, as well as adding references and comments. The interface between Ino'Check and our electronic catalog makes it easy for you to select references. Your operator will create a cost estimate for the pads and discs, which will then go straight back into Ino'Check. Once the quote is included in the message, you can send it to your customer by email or text message. Your customer receives a text message giving them access to this additional quote. This one details the recommended procedures, the corresponding price, and any relevant photos and comments. In the workshop, the technician will be able to instantly carry out those operations that have been approved by the customer and to validate the form once it has been completed. At the reception, the interface is updated with the accepted quote. Because of the catalog, the operator will be able to retrieve the cost estimate in their DMS so that they can invoice the customer. The final step in the process is building customer loyalty by setting the date for future reminders for those components noted as "to be scheduled" during your inspection. Thanks to the saved data, you will be able to send out reminders so that you can inform your customers in good time of any procedures to be carried out on their vehicle. With Ino'Check, you can use digitalized diagnostics to create loyal customers